This is 3:30 in the morning and we have to get ready. And first of all, we're gonna have to put this thermos first, you know, like underneath the clothes. So that and that, as you can see. And we're gonna have to put these ones on as well. This like thick socks because it's freezing outside. Just gonna show you something real quick. Check that out. We've got deer right here. So the day before we put some feed just right here, and Kevin feeds all those deer here, so he gets them used to coming in, you know, like so they can get fed. But today we're not deer hunting. We're going to be hunting ducks. Now, as you can see, we've got all the gear ready. These are the weights, you know, or the weighers. That's what they call them. Those little heavy things here with the boots, the waterproof ones. Shirts here to go first, and that, as you can see, you all guys gonna see everything happening just now. So we're gonna put that on first because it is cold outside. Right. So this goes on. So this is the time to put the weighers on. Those are heavy motherfuckers. So you know, it's the first time, well, it's not the first time. I had a bit of practice yesterday, trying them on just to see if they fit. Now, I'm gonna put those on. Oh, it's not easy at all. Those are the hunters here. We've got the truck here. Yeah, this is the biggest truck I've ever seen in my life. This bad boy is big. Louis is over there with his truck as well. The guys are excited. Everything, guys, is big in America. We've got the dog here. Well, Louis has the dog. Hi. The dog's excited. So Louis has got a little whistle there. I think that's how he calls. Said you've got to keep yourself warm. So I've got those here. You have to shake them and then they warm up. I've got the harness to set with them. Yeah, the little hunter. Yeah, she's cute. Yeah, good girl. I literally thought that this here was attached to this here. For some reason I thought that was the whole truck. But that's to get started, you know, like, and just reverse back and that's it. So those ducks are imitation ducks. You know, you just let them float in the water and, you know, to attract the other birds to land. But I think they've got enough. All the stuff's in here.
You're back there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you get that video out. You can good.
Well, I've got the lights back now, you know, this is, I'm sitting with all the tools here, and all the gear. Guys, we're actually in the water. He just drove this thing right inside the fucking water. I was not expecting this at all. That's what happens, you know, like I've got to get off. I was stepping, my feet were getting stuck. I was panicking. See, once he actually like drove right through the water with that truck thing, you know, like It's insane. I'm here, they pass me all the stuff. We've got the guns here, all the gear. He knows what he's doing. Like, you know what, this spot here is absolutely crazy. That's why, like, when I was looking up duck hunting, they said that you've got to know someone that wants to take you out hunting, because it's next to impossible knowing where this kind of spots are or who it belongs to as well. I don't know, I've not got any clue. But this is madness. This is the most realistic thing that I've ever done, guys. Scary. I was thinking about gators, you know, it's a fucking big lake. It's lurky as well, and I'm like, wow.
Willow, here. Hey. You go. Just
Chill.
keep it up. A nice safe spot. Get under the bench. Lay down.
The ducks, they're so realistic, you know. It's like they're feeding. Wow. I was getting a little lesson, you know, it's all about safety using guns because it is the first time I'm using it. So I have to be really aware of what I'm doing. It's serious, it's not a joke. So now we can see that the sun's all starting to rise. I think we've got about 15 minutes or so for the sunrise. That gun is loaded, ready to go. That one is waiting on Kevin.
I just took that fucking goose call off. It doesn't matter, you ain't gonna get them summits down. Okay, Louis, you understand? They're gonna come in that fast.
The ducks are here.
Off of a mallard call? Huh?
That gunfire was crazy. Nearly deafened me.
Over.
So that is the first duck.
How many times did you shoot? Once?
Once, yeah. So I just shot once. That was amazing. That's my first bird, guys. I just shot a duck. Don't know if he's gonna find it or I'm gonna have to go and find it because that is my trophy, man. Wow. Let's see.
Here. The wood duck is still alive.
Oh, that's alive. This one is still alive. Poor thing.
Is that male or female?
Oh, is that? Wow. So which one is the male?
This one.
That one here. And this is the first results.
Welcome to duck hunting, Noureddine.
Oh, yeah, I'm so excited, man. This is amazing. How do you kill that? Just. Oh. Yeah. This one's well dead.
Well dead.
To kill it, you just bang it.
Crackets and that.
This is the end of this hunting trip. Today I'm just going to get the little truck, you know, and I'm just walking in the middle of this water here. It's not very deep, luckily. I'm glad. I'm just gonna go and go straight. The guys, they're over there. And those are the fake ducks. We were lucky we got through. Now I understand the perspective of, like, you do need like people that are clued up and they know what they're doing. And those guys, they are one of the best. Definitely appreciate that. I was lucky to shoot one as well. This truck, guys, this is so tough, you know. Kevin actually walks all the way. That was insane.